Hey guys, sorry about the furnace in the background, but this will be quick. Follow the USB charger. Check it out, man. I showed that little battery capacity tester in another video when I tested some AA rechargeables. Check it out, man. The maximum discharge rate is 1.2 amps, and that's what I've set it at. This is my deep cycle backup battery for my station should the AC mains fail or my power supply fail. Check it out. M27-7 DC, huh? Got it on sale at Menards. Check it out. Sorry I'm shaky, but I'm on my hands and knees. 680 cold cranking amps, 850 MCA, whatever that is, 170 reserve capacity. It's all mumbo jumbo. It's meaningless. I want to know how many amp hours this thing has. And although 1.2 amps isn't much of a discharge rate, at least I'll get a rough idea, right? Man, 26.76 amp hours. My question for you guys, when it's done, how many amp hours do you think that battery is? It's relatively new. It was fully charged before I started my test. We're up to 12. Let's call it 27 amp hours. I paused you. We'll look at the voltage. Okay. Man, this morning when it was only up to 5 amp hours, the voltage was at 12.5. It was at 12.55. That was at the 5 amp hour point. It's only come down 0.2 of a volt at the 27 amp hour point. You know, the battery's in its sweet spot right now, man. Don't get any ideas. It's for me. What say you guys? How many amp hours, man? I'll show it when it's done. That little LED will quit flashing and the display will lock in and start flashing. Take a guess. Blowzo's offering a prize. A wonderful prize to be mailed to you if you're the closest guesser. Good luck, guys. 73.